Hey guys, for our final step in the game of life, you are going to be calculating your groceries and then your final cost, seeing what you have left after all your expenses. So you'll choose one of your grocery stores, Kroger or Publix, and you will actually create a grocery list for 1 week worth of food. So you will list the food item here, how many you want to get, the price, and then the total. So I did 2 examples. So I have coffee. I'm going to get 2 boxes. They're $6.99 each. So times 2, the total would be $13.98. But if I just wanted one item, I would have bread, 1 loaf. It costs $1.99. So my total cost is $1.99. So try to realistically come up with foods you would eat in a week. And then we're going to pretend that so figure out your bill for 1 week. Then multiply it by 4 because there's typically 4 weeks in a month, and that will tell you your monthly cost for groceries, pretending like you kind of stick with the same budget each week. Okay, now you're going to need some numbers from yesterday's assignment. So you will take your take-home pay, which we found in yesterday's assignment. Just kidding. We found that in Part 4, so that would be Tuesday's assignment. That was your new paycheck amount. Okay, so you need that number. Then you are going to subtract your rent from yesterday. Okay, so I've got my rent and my utilities from yesterday. Rent, utilities. Then you're going to subtract your car payment and your car insurance from yesterday. Car payment, car insurance, and then you're going to subtract your phone payment and your cable and internet payment. Phone, cable, and internet, and then take today's grocery bill. So this is from Part 4, which would be Tuesday. These are all from yesterday, and then this is from today. Once you subtract that, you will get how much is left, and that is pretty much what you live off of for the month after all your bills are paid. Have fun!